A very good day to all our listeners. This is your local radio station of Class 9A. Today, I, RJ Priya, I, RJ Ria, and I, RJ Adya, is bringing you up to the minute news, current affairs, interviews, music, roundup, and much more.
What are you thinking, Priya?
Nothing. I'm thinking that whenever I see a newspaper, I think of the poor trees. As the trees, they provide us shade, beauty, and shelter, but as paper, all they provide is rubbish. Friends, in our radio show, there is something special in newspaper. There is Sahil Group. In Sahil Group, there are 3 types of languages, that is Hindi, English, and unique one is Nepali. So, I'm very excited for it. So, Sahil, are you ready for it?
Yes. Good morning to all. Here is my group to deliver you some news. And for some English news, I want to call Sachin.
Good morning class. News for today's helicopter crash in Rood. 23 email leaked of terrorists. Heavy flood in Rajasthan. Medical crisis plays out in Nepal's tent hospital. Thank you.
अब कुछ हिंदी समाचार के लिए मैं राहुल को बुलाना चाहूँगा.
धन्यवाद साहिल मुझे आमंत्रित करने के लिए. सुप्रभात. आज का मुख्य समाचार. पंजाब में आतंकवादी की घुसपैठ की कोशिश. एसपी बलजीत सिंह की गोलीबारी में शहीद हुए. नेपाल में 25 जनों की लोगों की मौत. रूस में हेलीकॉप्टर की क्रैश. धन्यवाद.
अब नेपाली समाचार को बेला भयो अनि नेपाली समाचार को लागि म रोशन थापालाई आमन्त्रित गर्न चाहन्छु.
नमस्कार. तपाईँ सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ नेपाली समाचार. विक्रम सम्वत 2072 वैशाख 12 गते आएको 7.8 रेक्टर स्केलको महाभूइँचालोले गर्दा हाम्रो नेपालमा धेरै नष्ट भएको छ. भूइँचालोको कारणले हाम्रो नेपालमा 8,912 जनाको मृत्यु भएको छ. धन्यवाद.
Thank you. This was all for our news.
Sahil, thank you so much for giving us something new.
Healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Priya, do you know Ishita how good she is in badminton?
Yes, I know.
So here's Ishita to tell some tips of sports. Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about something sports like football. It is a team sport played between 2 teams of 11 players, each using a spherical ball which is a round leather covered inflated rubber batter 27 to 28 inches in circumference and 397 to 454 grams in weight. The game is played within a clearly defined area of a rectangular grass or artificial turf with a goal in the center of each of short ends. The object of the game is to score by driving the ball into the opponent's goal. The goalkeepers are the only players allowed to use their hands or arms or to propel the ball. The rest of them usually use their feet to kick the ball into position. Players are allowed to use their hands and in case of throw-in. When the ball has gone outside the sidelines, the team that scores the most goals by the end of the match wins. If the score is tied at the end of the game, either a draw is declared or the game goes into extra time and or penalty shoots. So guys, play football and be healthy. Thank you Ishita for motivating us about football.
Questions provide the key to unlocking our unlimited potential. Everyone likes to play game, but here we have mental ability game, not physical game. Is it this question, Priya? Yes, Priya, you are absolutely right. So Harshita with her group is coming to check your mental ability. Harshita, please.
Hello everyone. Good morning and a very fresh and pleasant good morning to all our sweet listeners. I Harshita and I Payal. Welcome you all to our own local Class 9K Brain Train, bringing you up to the current affairs with really interesting questions. As you all know friends, these questions increases curiosity and help human to increase his knowledge. Now it's time for the first question. And the first question will be asked by the Payal.
Thank you Harshita. Good morning to all our listeners.
Friends, now it's time for some brain exercise. And the first question is, an Indian film actor who became famous as Jumping Jack. Let's listen to our first speaker. Hello.
It's me Shanaya from Mumbai. I think the answer would be Jitender.
Yes, the answer is correct. The answer is Jitender. Thank you, Payal. You have really asked a good question. Now my turn. And the second question is, which is the largest planetarium in India? If you want to talk to us, you can dial 9450248461 and tell the correct answer. So let's listen to our second speaker. Hello?
Hello, I think the correct answer is Birla Planetarium.
Oh yes, you are absolutely right. Thank you. Now it's time for the third question. And the third question is, who is conferred with Bharat Ratna in 1997 and also become the President of India in 2002?
Hello Payal. I'm Neha from Dehradun. I think the answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes, it's correct. The answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you, Payal. You have reminded us of a great personality. Now we will move to the next question. And next question is, NASA had found recently a new planet that is supposed to exist life. Name it. So, I again remember you. If you want to talk to us, you can dial 9450248461 and tell the correct answer. So, let us now speak to our last listener. Hello?
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Anamika Sinha and I'm from Dehradun.
I want to ask you a question. Name the planet that has found by NASA recently that is supposed to exist life. The hint is, it was seen by NASA's famous telescope named Kepler.
I think the answer must be Kepler 452b.
Yes, it is absolutely right. Thank you very much. Friends, that's all for today's. So, we are now signing up. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Harshita and her group. Riya, do you know I'm a big fan of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Oh, really? Sorry, but I'm not. But I remembered my friend Amisha is big fan of Narendra Modi. Oh, that's why she chose the topic of biography of Narendra Modi. So here we have a Amisha group to express his views with your group. Amisha, so please, it's your time.
Hello everyone, this is the radio show being presented by Class 9th. We are here with the political biography of polarizing and a global profile, Mr. Narendra Modi, Damodar Das Modi. Yes, of course.
Amisha, do you know about our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi?
Yes, of course. He is a very good leader and I regard him as a visionary decisive leader. India needs today him.
Do you know something about his past?
Yes, he was born on 17 September 1950 in the small town of Vednagar in Gujarat. His family is very poor by modern standards. Do you know he is a tea hawker in Gujarat railway station when he is in teenage?
Youngchin, do you know in our school library there is a book about our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Are you talking about this book? Yeah, I am talking about this book. Tell me something about this book. Why not? This book is written by N.J. Marino. He recorded interviews with Narendra Modi during more than half a dozen exclusive meetings. The author analyzed Narendra Modi's values, the people who shaped his thinking, and the kind of national leader he is. His vision for India and his personal philosophy on religion and politics are revealed in a book that is lucid, fast-paced, and readable.
So, this was the review of book Narendra Modi, a political biography by N.D. Marino. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now it's time to advertisement. क्या आपके मसलों पे तकलीफ है? या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? टूथपेस्ट में नमक? या नया कॉलगेट नीम एंड सॉल्ट में नमक है? और ओके. Welcome back to Class 9 Radio Show.
The hills are alive with the sound of music. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart to sing every song it's here. CST वालों, last but not the least, I invited Doji group to come and refresh us with your melodious song. Doji. Doji, it's time for your song.
Good morning to you all. Today we are going to sing a song on Hindi language and Tibetan language.
Apu kaka ngahi lama ukin tele toje ngahi lama ngahi lama ngahi semua kewa kamu kero nga utang utang du imi tang butang du nyokomba tang wajadu ikeje tang bushidu yejumu tang bungodu pama chikitam di katui nanam di toko tu khala la poli ya putte puna ngaki bu yungu chi du topsi tamina tuna khala simbangala na tolo ya kangala shobina bushang khala tede chinisha tak tuju tum ju pama ki kati newa chi sunge chi to gonda ni muku michu chi de michu kan pama ki kati ni semba ki bu nam shi shock chi tiki suguma chinji sana pama ki kati ne ki shanye lindi pama ki kati ye nam shote to pama ki kati amal tujina pala kati tomula pangi dila injinula tomo utayala tinde tomula ninjinula pangi utayala pangila pangi dila injinula tomo utayala tinde tomula ninjinula pangi utayala Sundale maso lasang bunga yala nupung dumala yala nuta chuluni sola nupule nakale sundale maso nintula semba chuchu nintuta mutitesu Nintuta semba cucu Nintula mikititu Sembe kerasana Miti nindu Nindula Tenju tenju chazo Kanye kyola teme Tengi kyola teme Semla ninji yena Nindula Ningla nasamado Thank you very much. Second song is Hindi. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहान कभी के लिए किसी न किसी को बनाया है किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है जैसे रब ना इशारा ना मुझको रब ने की जाना है कि तुझको मुझसे बता तुझको मुझसे बता अब जाएंगे ना हमको रहना जीने की बनाएगी रब इसी को तुझसे बता तुझको मुझसे बता अब जाएंगे ना हमको रहना जीने की बनाएगी ना इसी को लिए थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you, friends. When business is good, it pays to advertise. When business is bad, you have got to advertise.
Athia, I'm getting hungry.
Don't worry, Priya. It's time for a short break. And Joe.
पहला पहला प्यार है, पहली मुलाकात है, चिपचिपे है मेरे बाल, सरसों से ये हाल है, तो लगाओ नया निहार डाबर शांति आमदा और बड़े बाल पाओ। बाल बिखारो ऐसे में जैसे बदली चाल है।
Welcome back to Class 10 radio show again.
Friends, we know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who just passed away few days ago. Now, here Deepika and Nishita are coming with their report on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Hello, very good morning to all. Today we are talking about a great development man of India, known as Missile Man of India. Deepika, are you talking about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Oh yes. I am talking about that great inspiration of every youth and inspired youth even at his last moment.
Yeah, going to Shillong to take course of Livable Planet Earth at IIM. IIM was the last tweet of who ignited many minds.
Yes, 27 July 2015, the day he left the nation. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away due to a massive cardiac arrest during his Shillong journey. 83 years old Kalam suffered cardiac arrest on Monday. Oh. He was taken to Bethany Hospital where he was declared dead at 7:45 according to reports.
Yeah, you're right. Dr. Kalam was a great scientist and a great inspirational leader. He was so
soul of simply means humble beginning from his journey to Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan is a story of ardent and intellectual pursuits as per success. Starting his career at Defense Research Organization in 1960 by designing a small helicopter for Indian Army, Kalam shifted his way to ISRO to take India to a new level of space. He guided the creation and launch of India's first satellite SLV-3 and launched vehicle Rohini in near Earth orbit in July 1980. You know, on 25 July 2002, he became the President of India and he rose the public as the first one who delivered especially the youth. He was strong believer of transform action of education and healthcare. His birthday, 15 October, was celebrated as the World Student Day by Declaration of United Nations in 2010 and in Switzerland on his visit in Switzerland. He was also awarded the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Dr. Kalam will remain in the heart of every Indian and will reflect in every youth of India. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Shita and Deepika to Friends, as our environment, depleted animals are becoming extinct. This is a great worry for all of us. So I request Simran to speak something about Project Tiger. So Simran.
Hello everyone. Hello Riya and Adya. I want to say about the conservation of tiger. So this saving tiger is a main motive of Indian government as they are national animals. So I want to say something important and valuable about them. So the price of human greed is being paid by yet other animal species, the tiger. Today the tiger population is getting depleted at an alarming rate. According to the recent survey, one tiger is being killed every day. It is high time that action is taken to protect and conserve the tiger in order to maintain the ecological balance. It is over 40 years since the tiger became a national animal. As a result, the species was to be protected, but they are not conserved. Children, scientists, conservationists, NGOs, and institutions in India worldwide have put their heart and soul into trying to save the tiger, as I am here. Let us not forget that if we destroy nature, ultimately we will be destroy ourselves. Tigers are now an endangered species. Now, government has taken some important steps to conserve the tiger. Some project of tigers are also come in process. Project Tiger in a wildlife conservation project initially in India in 1972 to protect the Bengal tigers. It was launched on April 1, 1973. It is the most successful wildlife conservation to maintain a liable conservation reliant on tiger population in their natural environment. So that's why the tigers are important and they must be protected by everyone. So thank you. Thank you, Simran. Thank you. First, it's a wrap on our show.